mister.
Paul, I think you need to calm down. Think about what you're saying. Hey look, someone dropped a cookie. Paul, I think you need to calm down.
Hi, I'm Joe Xtra. I play Mexiguin on Mexiguin. I'm also the creator. And welcome to the next behind the scenes video. I hope you guys like what you see. We have new additions to the cast for Mexiguin's parents. And I hope you guys enjoy this episode when it releases. Here we start off getting this out of the way. And then move on to other things.
Alright.
That's not how it happened, you imbecile. What am I even doing? I can't even waste my time listening to this dribble. It's pathetic. Hi, my name is Paul Simon. I play Paul the Penguin in Mexiguin. It's a phenomenal show. You should all check it out.
Do it. You should do it. You're live, baby.
Yo, Mexiguin!
Do another one? Yeah.
Yo, Mexiguin! Howdy, mister.
Dude.
Howdy, mister. My name is Alexander James Jesus, and I'm here and I play Mexiguin.
No, you played Frank!
I think Mexican for a reason that's not Mexican. Okay, hello. My name is Alexander James Jesus, and I play Frank and myself, Alex.
That's the best intro I've ever.
Okay, everyone just shut up.
Great. Do that one more time.
Okay, everyone just shut up. Boys, Grandma passed away this morning. I know it's going to be hard to deal with, but it was just his time.
You want to do it?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Can I wear a disguise?
No,
Why?
because that's not funny.
I'll wear a mask.
Not good enough.
I'll wear my Jigglypuff mask.
Not good enough. People don't want Jigglypuff, they want Lauren.
No, they don't.
They want Lauren.
I don't want Lauren.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay,
What is that?
it's just a card reader. Okay, listen, alright, look at this. This next part,
I thought we were changing the schedule of the festival to be earlier so I could play poker.
say it with more of a flow. It was all choppy.
I hasn't started yet.
Hi, my name is Ryan Contra. I play Mayor Bill and my name is Ryan Contra. I play Mayor Bill and I play Mayor Bill. My name is Ryan Contra and I play Mayor Bill. Back up. Yeah. Wait a second. My name is Ryan Contra and I play Mayor Bill in Mexiguin.
But that's a card?
Yeah, I was.
Okay, guys with a new shirt. Now, where were we? Oh yeah. What's messed up?
Yell, you gotta yell this,
I know,
okay?
I know. I'm Mike Contra. I play Mikey the Sloth in Mexiguin.
Do it.
I'm not doing
Do it for the people.
I'm not doing it.
Do it for the people. Do it for the people.
You're lucky you got my voice.
Do it for the people. Do it for the people.
But you're just wrong, Mex! And the hat race can help me prove that. You know that, right?
I'm dumb. Yeah, you're supposed to go, yo, Mexiguin.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Hello. Is this oh my god.
I'm recording.
I've got my own setup here. Oh, you're recording this part of it? I'll put this in as like extra B-roll. I feel like sometimes I just have people over and they're just here and they record and leave. It's like, alright, I don't need you anymore. Get out.
Is this your real reason for having us here?
Yeah, always.
Want me to go from what's going on again?
Yeah.
Alright. What's going on? You two are brothers? I'm not crying you hard.
Like, a few like little cries.
I'm not crying you hard.